Alright, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, thank you very much Architect Rapadas for making this video happen. He sponsored this video. And also thank you very much Cotton Yonder and also 3 Strokes for making this video possible, or at least for the meetup and team up. So already gave away Sam's Cotton Yonder and Robert's Oogie's Architect Robert's 3 Strokes nice hot shot. Nice shot hat. Okay, so for today's team up and meetup and team up, we're playing 2v2. I'm playing with my partner si Doy. So kami ni Doy, lifetime namin it's 2-7. Pero because of the handicap, we will give si Oogie at saka si Sam plus. So we're playing here in Riviera, Langer. First time ni Doy to play here. So very difficult. So hole number 1, we're playing the silver tees kasi masyadong malayo yung blues here. So white tees is around 367. And so hole number 1 is dog leg left. Yeah. So the pin is in this area. Yeah. So this is our flight. The meetup and team up here in Riviera Golf Course. So again, my playing partner and lifetime record, Mr. Raimundo, welcome back to the channel. And ang kanyang caddy. Ate, ano pangalan mo?
Pearly po.
Pearly Shell. And akin si Ate
Jomelyn po.
Ate Jomelyn. Hi. Ayan. And ang mga caddy nila Sam and the Oogie. Sino ang caddy ni Mr. Rapadas? Ano pangalan mo, Ate? Ellen. Ate Ellen and
Richelle po.
Richelle. Ayan ang aming mga kalaban. Welcome back to the channel, Oogie. Magkalaban tayo ngayon, di tayo magkakampi. Yes, okay. Si Sam. Ayan, lagi ko naman tong kalaban. Ayan, okay. So we're playing 2v2. Okay, straight up na daw, wala nang plus. Huh? In what planet? Okay, so wala pa. We'll see na lang. Basta we're playing 2v2, scramble, match play. Sige. Susubukan daw namin 5-5 plus 5 strokes sila sa front plus 5 strokes ulit sa back. Sino may yes? Hindi, pero may story. Pero maka scorecard please. Ito yan. Okay. Okay, from the silver tees, ay hindi pala silver tees. So, if bibigyan namin sila ng plus, it's going to be, ate pasulat naman, no? Hole number 5. Number 9. Basta walang par 3, no?
Dapat 1, 3, 7, ano?
Ayun nga, 1, 3. Yung 1 to 9.
Ladies yan eh.
Hindi, dito. Ito, handicap yun, handicap ito. Ay, ladies handicap.
Oo, ladies yan dito.
Ayun pala.
One.
So, 5, 9,
Saan yung ano?
2.
Ito na, 1, 3,
Yan. Hole number
5, 7, 9.
2. So, meron dito.
Tapos 2, 4, 6, 8 ka. Hanggang 10.
Oh. Yan, tama. Tama.
10. Yan.
Ba't may 10 pa? Ay, 5 nga pala. Oo nga pala.
Plus na lang pag
Okay, so first 3 holes sa... Doy, first 3 holes meron silang stroke. They get a pop. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. First 3. Oh, first 3 meron. Tapos susunod na 5 at saka 9. Ano, first 3 holes. Nakapula. So binili ko na yun. Ganda. Gitnang gitna. Nice shot. Gitnang gitna si Sam. Nice shot. Nice shot, brother.
Ganda, nice shot.
Ganda,
Ganda sapatos mo.
Right. Ganda ng draw. Perfect. Hindi. Draw. Gitna. Ay.
Kaliwa konti.
First time opponents. Good luck, brother.
Good luck.
Okay, good luck. Good luck sa atin, Doy. May experience mo ang plus 10. Kasi dati plus 7 lang eh. Ngayon plus 10. Good luck. Okay. So comment guys if you think this is fair. Pero at least libre ang laro. Thank you very much again, Architect Rapadas. Lalagay ko na lang yung kanyang Instagram if you're looking for designs. Yeah, just reach out to him. So again, thank you very much. 3 Strokes and Cotton Yonder. And my partner, Doy. So currently, ang lifetime record namin ni Doy is 2-7. So tingnan namin kung we can improve today. First time ni Doy here in Riviera. So, wish us good luck. Okay, Oogie and Sam taking their second shot. That's Sam's tee shot. Siguro they're left with around 140. Yan, so may plus sila dito. Okay, so for our second shot, taking my tee shot, left with 110 yards, hitting a 56 degree wedge. Right to left na hangin. With the wind ba?
Medyo.
60 degrees. Ganda, Doy! Ganda, brother! Pato mo. Okay, right before the green. Nice shot, brother.
Shot. On the green. Okay, tama na. Okay po.
Matalbog para sa basang green ha. Okay, I went over. Doy short. Okay, Sam and Allen taking Sam's second shot. Sumobra. Outside of the green. Okay, Sam for birdie. To go up and down for par. Ganda. Mukhang one up sila dito. Mas, anong bago Doy? Mas make tayo. Okay, we need to make this. Kasi may plus sila dito. Ganda. Ako maliit nga lang.
Get. Sige pa. Okay. 3 on.
Okay, Sam and Oogie to go one up. Nice putt. Okay, one up. Alright. Hole number 2 from the Silver Tees. It's 366 yards. Okay, so for hole number 2, it's slightly dog leg left. So the pin is, or the green is in this area. So play is aiming for that tree. Tapos if it draws, good. If it fades, okay lang din. Ganda. Fairway. Gitnang-gitna si Sam. Right off the fairway. Ang ganda. Nag-draw lang sa kaliwa. Okay lang, brother.
Bila.
Carry.
Okay.
Okay, that was a good drive. Carried over the bunker. Okay, Sam and Oogie, they're left with 175 yards. Against the wind pa. Ganda. Kanan lang. They also get a plus here.
Thank you.
Kanan lang. Hindi lang nag-draw. And landed right. We're taking my tee shot. Again, we're left with 115 yards. Slightly against the wind. And so, ang strategy namin to have Doy go first every time. Saan yan landing dapat? Kaliwa kanan? So, sa may nyog? Yung nyog sa kanan? Yung katabi ng... Okay, maliit na nyog. Okay, aiming for that small coconut tree. Yan. Go! Ganda yata yan. Middle. Baba! Ganda! Ganda, brother! Nice shot, nice shot. Nice shot. Okay.
Ay, kaliwa na pull.
Pulled. Landed left. Sobrang left. Buti na maganda yung kay Doy. Sam and Oogie also putting for birdie. Pero since may plus sila, this is birdie to net par. At net eagle. Kasi kami, we need to make it. Yun ang hirap na may mga plus. Parang mahina. Tumalon yung putt ni Sam. So we have this putt for birdie. Taking Doy's second shot. 6 paces, left to right. Bigay nyo kalahating grip sa kaliwa, no? Isang grip sa kaliwa. Oo. Bale. Kuha! Nice spot!
Oh, wow! Nice birdie.
Nice bird. This spot to tie the hole. Okay, all half hole. One up pa rin kayo. Nice spot, Ugs. Okay, so hole number 3. 396 yards. This is a hole na meron silang plus ulit. So, it's also playing dogleg right. So, the pin is in this area or the green is in this area. So, the play is to parang play it over this tree. Tama ba ate, Jomelyn? Ang play natin, yan yung may payong na lalaki sa harap. Diba? Yun ang aim. Ayan. So, that's the aim. Left. A little left of that coconut. Yung white stick na yun. Oh, so taas ng nyog. Okay. Nice shot. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Over mo yung bunker. Ayun, lumabas. Okay. Went out the bunker. Okay. Nice shot, Doy. Ganda. Galit na galit si Sam. Nice shot. Gitnang gitna si Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Ay, kabig.
Ay, tama na. Diyan ka lang. Naku, over, sir.
Oh, masyadong dumiretso. Hindi nag-fade. Through the green yata ako. Ayan, so this is Langer hole number 3. So kanina we were aiming for that red stick. So ayan, as you can see, it will turn right. Super haba talaga ng Langer. So those white sticks, and white stick means it's still 150 yards to the green. Okay, buti na safe. Malakas magdasal ng caddy ko. Kakahanap kayo na ba? Malakas magdasal na caddy. Yan. Si Jomelyn, tama? Jomelyn. Ayan, okay. We're safe. We're taking my tee shot. So si Sam and Ugi. Ayan. Pa rin. Sam and Ugi. Ay, Sam. Tama, Sam and Ugi. Ay, no, short. Around 180 pa siguro to the flag. So that's what they're looking at. Parang nag-bleed right. And bunker. Bunker si Sam. Okay, taking my tee shot against the wind. We're left with 130 yards. So either hitting a 50-degree wedge or a pitching wedge. Depende ito eh. Ay, kanan lang. Ah, malakas nga yung hangin. Bunker.
Okay, good shot. Down. Okay. So,
Ito, basta makuha natin to sana. Okay, we're putting for birdie. Sam and Ugi taking Sam's tee shot, a second shot. Hindi pala sila nasa bunker. They still get a plus here again. Lakas lang. Sige pa, layo mo pa. Okay, they have that par net birdie. Okay, we have this birdie putt. Ang layo, 18 paces. Right to left ba? Malaki lang. Good try. Malakas yata.
okay lang. Ligo. Inside mo na!
They have this putt for to win. To go 2 up. Mahina. Pakimark.
Sanggulong na lang.
Okay. Half yung hole. 1 up pa rin kayo. Alright, so we are now still 1 down. So from hole number 3, par 3. Katakot to. Can't miss left. It's playing 147 yards. Pero umiikot yung hangin. Kumaliwa?
Laglag?
Ano sasabihin mo dun?
Ay, shit.
Naiya ka pabulong. Pabulong. Dun yun. Dun ang galing yun. Bawa na ano ka, na masama palo mo. Biglang bubulong sa'yo si Doy. Nice shot. Dun ang galing yun eh. Go! Patong mo! Please! Stop! Tama na, tama na, tama na.
Ay, tulip ang ha.
Ay, Delix.
Shot.
Safe na safe.
Okay. Tulong. Okay.
Sigurado ko walang hangin eh, bago ako pumalo eh. Okay, we're putting for birdie again. Okay. And right off the pin. Okay, so this is where we took our tee shot. Yan, so si Sam at saka si Ugi unfortunately went in the hazard. Kami were putting for birdie. May tira na pala yun. Ang ganda ng tira ni Ugi. Nice shot, Ugs! Ay, mahina. Birdie ulit! Naku, lakas brother! Pinahirapan mo pa ako. Ate.
Oy!
Okay, hole number 5 from the white tees na yan ha. Almost 600 yards pa rin. Dog leg left. Very intimidating hole. Okay, back to all square brother. Okay. Ano masasabi mo sa plus nila?
Ang ganda ng Riviera.
Maganda. A little right lang where the caddy is.
Yun. Okay lang sa bandang kanan.
Parang hindi ko nakita.
Ay, sa taas po. Ayun, gitna.
Naku!
Uy, pasok.
Kumanan, pumasok dun.
Ayun, lumabas!
Ayun, yun, yun. Okay, safe, 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 safe. Bumalik, 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 bumalik. Yes, sa may red tee. Pareho kaming terrible tee shot ni Doy. We're still left with... Malayo pa to, sobra. Beauty! Nice shot, Doy. Ganda, gitna. Nice shot. Ubus na. Nice shot. Matuktok ulit. Ay, okay. Ugi and Sam taking Sam's tee shot. Layo pa. Okay, right off the fairway. Very safe naman daw. Oh, mangat din.
Go, 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 go. Yeah.
Okay. Dalawang masamang tira na ako. So we still can't find or see the green, but the aim is, the green daw is there sa may tower. So that we're aiming between that coconut tree and that tower. Uy! Yung sasabi nito eh. Oo.
Tulong. Okay lang, sir.
Tuk-tuk na naman, tatlo na. Okay, yan kami. Taking my third terrible shot. We're left with 190 yards to the flag.
Yung po nung gano'n.
Maangat talaga. Maangat din. Puro kami top ball. Umangat pa rin. Grabe, 4 na top ball na yun ah. Napakaganda ng butas namin na to. Okay. Ay nako. Come on. Okay lang. Buti na lang match play. Be, sama ng butas namin. This is to go up and down for a bogey already.
Sabay pa tayo, no?
Oo nga eh. Okay, hitting a 60-degree wedge. So sila Sam, that's to go up and down for par. Short. Pero green naman na si Ugi.
Napong ganda.
Kabi. Kaliwa naman.
Go. Sige. Tulong. Ay, shoot. Ang hagins.
We can concede this hole. Okay, short na short yung akin. This is to go up and down for double na. Sila Sam at saka si Ugi for bogey.
Tandaan.
Ang bilis, grabe!
Bilis.
Ganda, Doy. Ganda yan. Maganda yan. Tama na. Uy, lagpas pa rin, oh.
Pero ganda, wala ka na ito magagawa.
Grabe. Ang bilis.
Na talaga yun eh.
Okay, this spot to win the hole to go back to 1 up. May name na kayo.
Ay, ang
Uy.
galing.
Okay.
Sam to win the hole to go back to 1 up.
Yes!
Nice putt. Okay,
Husay,
1 up,
brother.
1 up. Okay, what a clutch putt by Sam. Hole number 6, 325 yards. Very narrow fairway. Medyo short siya, pero if you wanna risk it, hit a driver. Pero yun nga, very narrow siya. So the green is in this area, dog leg right. Okay, so the play is, if you want to do course management, to that white stick is 180 yards. So, pwedeng mag-iron para fairway ka pa rin. Or, go for it. Kung mapapadraw mo. Ganda! Perfect tee shot! Ganda niyan, Ugi. Wow, beautiful. Ganda rin. Pag fairway si Ugi, si Doy, I will go for it with the driver. If not, 5 iron. Sorry. Putulin mo na lang. Ayan, ganda. Nice shot. Doy. Okay, pwede ako mag-driver. Fairway naman, ano? Okay.
Ay, kumanan.
Didiretso pa yan.
Tama na. Hulog, tumama. Ang safe.
Okay, too much. Buti na lang fairway si Doy. I hit the tree, pero safe daw. Okay, we're taking my tee shot. Buti na lang tumama daw sa puno, bumalik. So we're left with 100 yards. 100. Hitting up. Kaliwa lang. Patong mo lang. Nice shot! Wow, dikit pala! Nice shot! Nice one! Okay, make a ball, make a ball.
Then,
Pero ano yung hinangin pa
umiko. Okay.
Okay, we are both dancing. Pero akin nagpunta lang sa right. That's Doy's tee shot. Second shot. Ugi and Sam. Ilang yards kayo, Sam? 77 yards. That is Ugi's tee shot. Sa next hole.
Nice one. Okay na yan.
Hindi, hahanginin yan pa kanan eh.
Nice one, brother. Nice
Ganda.
shot.
Dikit din
Nice
si
shot.
Sam.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Ganda rin ang tira ni Sam. Clutch jeans. Okay, both teams spotting for birdie. We're giving this right. 1 cup right to left. Kulang.
Oh.
Kaso tama.
Lang. Good putt, Ugs. Ooh, lip out din. Okay, okay. All square, all square. Ay, half pala hole. 1 up pa din. Buti na lang. We survived that. We survived that hole. Okay, okay. Hole number 7, may pop sila dito. They get a plus here. Tapos dito sa front, another one sa hole number 9. Thank you, guys. Okay, hole 7, 357. It's medyo konting dog leg left lang. Oo.
Shot.
Ay, salamat. Ay, hindi sa akin yan.
Good shot.
Right, dun sa red stick. Nice one, Dad. Ganda rin.
Nice one.
Nice shot. Okay, fairway.
Sam, I'll go ahead.
Okay lang. Malayo pa rin yan.
Layo pa rin.
Okay,
Oh,
sa may
mas
white
malayo
stick,
pa doon
sa may
sa-
coconut. Ganda.
Yun ang magandang tira mo doon, brother.
Sa may bunker.
Sanay.
Uy, nag-cart putt. Bunker. Right before the bunker talaga yan. Okay, Ugi and Sam for their second shot. Left with malayo pa yata to. 160 pa siguro sila. Two. Oh, over si Sam. That's for their birdie. Net eagle. We are taking my tee shot. Left with 85 yards to the flag. Kailangan namin ito madikit. May plus sila. Go! 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 Mahina. Mahina. Inalalayan. Thank you, thank you. And
Ay, golden.
takot i-full swing eh. Ay, nako Luigi. Short na short. Baka lagpas eh. No? Sila Sam lumagpas eh. Parehong terrible approach from Doy and myself. We're left with 16 yards. Right to left. We need to hit this close. Malayo pa sila Sam. Pero may plus sila. Okay, kailangan natin madikit, brother. Ganda, Doy.
Stop.
Oh, mabilis talaga. Mabilis. Mabilis.
Okay. Okay lang.
We have that putt to win the hole. Par, net birdie. To half the hole lang pala kami. Naku, nakuha! Okay na yun, Ugs? Nakuha. Nakuha. Okay. Okay, adjust na to sa back. Okay, 2 up sila. 2 up. Okay, hole number 8. Playing on 175 yards. Hitting a 7 iron.
Oy, kaliwa.
Walag ka lang pumasok dyan. Huwag kang pumasok. Ay, pumasok. Delix. Go. 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 Short. Okay, I'm not sure if I made it. Parang kaliwa eh. Hindi nag-fade eh. Ay, correction. Wala pala silang plus sa 7. So we're still one down lang pala. Ay, nako, delikado rin. Delikado din. Nako, delikado. Pasok. Sam and Ugi had to take a drop. Kami were contemplating if we're allowed to hit yellow. Wow, wag ka shumot! Muntik pang shumot. Okay. So we're taking my shot. Playing 2, sila playing bogey. Kami to go up and down for par. Nice out, Doy! Nice out! Oh, hindi na ako titira. Okay, nice shot, Doy. Okay, for par yan.
Shoot na kami.
Talo na kami. Pang-palo.
Hindi, unless nag-miss kami. O, ginunsid na. Nice shot, Doy. Nice par. Nice one. Buti na lang na-save. Buti na lang nakita yung bola. Okay. We're back to all square. Tas hole number 9, they have a pop. Okay, hole number 9. 333. Oh, all square. Okay, so aim is for that mango tree in front. Okay, that cart sign, yung cart path only in the middle, is 215 yards. So pwedeng hybrid lang. Ganda! Nice shot, brother! Nice shot. Fairway. Ayan, magpa-follow daw si ate. Shout out. Oh, hi ka, ate.
Kay Ma'am Perway nagpapalo din.
Oh, mabait yun si attorney Mitzi. Oh, shout out ulit FT. Hi FT. Ganda. Gitnong-gitna. Nice shot. Okay, we're taking Doy's tee shot. I topped mine. We're left with 150 yards to the flag. Ganda! Tawid mo lang. Tawid mo lang. Okay lang, basta tawid. Safe ano? Okay, bunker.
Shot.
Ganda yata yan.
Go. Tama na. Okay. Gumulong pa siya.
Sa likod. Okay, Sam and Ugi left with 120 yards. Wind is ganda, kumanan lang. Slightly open lang. Parang chunky yung tunog. Pero patong. Wala talagang plus dapat. Okay, went over lang. Okay, so they're taking Sam's second shot. This is for birdie net eagle. Kami taking my second shot, 6 paces left to right for birdie. Mahina.
Kanina pa ako mahina.
Galing!
Okay, mas make kami. Mas make. Mahina.
Inside mo na.
Ang laki naman. Okay, hole number 10. Start of the back 9. Oh, di ba? Eh kung kanina sa hazard ka naka-aim doon tayo diretso.
Right.
Good shot, Doy. Uy! Back tee. Muntik na kami tamaan ng tee. Kaliwa lang? At. Ganda rin, kanan lang. Okay, fairway. Nice shot. Taking my tee shot. Layo pa, 220 pa to the flag. Doy hitting his 3-wood. Ako ito hybrid. Actually, parang pwede pang 3-wood ako. Lakas naman yung hangin no?
Nice shot.
Okay.
Nice
Ball
shot.
ka lang.
Pato mo.
Malakas din ang hangin.
Hangin, lakas.
Uy!
Okay lang ha.
Lakas ng hangin eh.
Right before the bunker. Ayan. Okay, Ugi and Sam left with 30 yards to the flag. Taking Sam's tee shot. Almost no green to work with. So,
Nice.
ganda. No, talaga hindi ba mabait eh. Lagpas. Go.
Tama na.
Ah, bilis pa rin talaga. Both teams putting for birdie, they're closer. Kami 9 paces. Taking my approach 9. Kuha.
Kulang. Okay. Sige. Ay,
Kulang lang
lumiko.
sa allowance, sa ganda ng speed.
Ogie and Sam for birdie to go 2 up to win the hole.
Malakas!
Ayun na naman. That's good, that's good. Okay, half. Okay, so hole number 11, playing 327 yards. So the play is, kasi may water yan before the green. So the play is to aim for that red stick in the middle, which is around 190. So pwedeng parang 200. Ganda.
Ganda!
Ganda.
Nice shot, partner.
Ganda. Delix kami. Delikado kami ni Doy. To go 2 down. Ganda. Ay, ganda. Ganda, brother. Gitnang gitna. Perfect.
Ay. Ay, bumangkay pa nga.
Okay, both teams for in regulation in the fairway, playing around 110 yards with the wind. So we're facing a huge water hazard in front of us. Pero it's with the wind downhill. Ganda ng tira ni Ugi. Pataw si Robert sa kanan lang ng green. Sige na! Ganda, kanan lang. Landed right lang. Sobra. Sam. Wood. Okay, we have a slight opening. Okay. Naku na short. Go!
Ay, ball.
3 points. We are taking Doy's second shot. 13 yards to the flag. Mabilis. Malaki to sa kanan. Hindi ganun kabilis. Walang kabilis-bilis.
Liko.
Nice one.
Pa.
Okay, that's for birdie. Net eagle. Mukhang kuha na naman nila ito dahil may plus.
Nice one! Nice one!
Okay, 2 up.
Nice. Malakas ang dating mo.
Okay, hole number 12. We are now currently 2 down. Mahirap plus 10. Okay, comment if you think kaya ang plus 10. So hole number 12 is playing 160 yards. So it's so much easier na now sa whiteys compared sa blue. Kasi sa blue, 212 tas against the wind pa to. Ay, kanan lang. Kanan lang. Bunker. Diba?
Wow!
Tama naman, Doy.
Wow! Wow!
Anong nangyari, short? Patong? Ay, dikit.
Hindi na ako tira.
Dikit. Ayun, dikit.
Ay, kumabig lang.
Hold my tee shot. We're using Doy's tee shot. 24 yards to the flag. Right to left. Malambot. Di umabot. Abot mo.
Sa bundok.
Ay, kulang sa kalipsanan.
Yun o.
Malaki. Kulang din. Oh, lumalaylay. Okay. Pag nag 3 down pala tayo, may mulligan tayo. We need to make this to avoid going 3 down, 7 paces. Firm ng konti, no? Tama ba?
Lakas lang. Oh, nice congratulations.
Kaya half yung butas.
Nice.
Shout out kay Ninong. Ayan, Ninong, thank you. Ninong, thank you. Ninong,
Kain?
tanong niyo po kung ilan plus nila.
Gino, sino
5-5. Sisama siya kasi si Ugi. Okay, hole 13. Playing 279. Course management lang ulit. Whew, that was a clutch par putt. So we were able to tie that hole pero we're still 2 down. So course management hole. Okay, the play is to... ito yung maliit na puno na saging na yan. Sa gitna.
150 lang.
ng bamboo.
Okay. Aray ko. 150 na.
Yes po, 150.
Okay, 150. Ay, may plus sila dito. Nako, too much right lang. Okay lang, safe before the bunker. Okay.
Shot.
In the middle. Sam and Robert, second shot. They're left with more than 150 yards. Okay, 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 1 Pumatong ba? Sa may cart path area. Okay. Wala silang plus dito, no? Wala. Okay. So we're left with 85 yards to the flag. Taking my tee shot. Pareho silang hindi nasa green. So kailangan namin madikit para to be 2 down na lang. Ay, 1 down. Babait mo. Bunker. Okay lang, brother. Hindi, lie din kasi natin eh. Pababa.
Bola rin. Tama na.
No choice, bunker talaga.
Okay, Robert and Sam to go up and down for par. 20 yards. Go! Ilagpas mo pa. Sige pa, lagpas mo pa. No choice kami. We're taking Doy's tee shot. Mas maganda yung sa kanya. Mga 15 yards. Mabilis. Go! Okay lang, okay lang.
Uy! Four! Lumusot.
Okay, what a terrible bunker shot. We're left with 10 paces for our par. Sila Ugi din, putting for par. Mahina. Mabilis sa regular.
Regular.
Yare!
Okay, that's good, that's good.
That's good.
Okay, we have this putt to win the hole. Lakas, brother.
Sitapin!
Lakas lang.
Sobrang lakas.
Yun.
Sige!
Yun. Yes!
Abot mo!
2 down pa rin. Okay, hole 14, 440 yards. This is dog leg left. So the play is just aim for that white stick. So okay, kanan lang, bleed right. Ganda, fairway na fairway.
Nice one, brother.
Nice shot. Wow, ganda.
Wow, nice shot.
Ganda.
Good shot.
Just landed right rough. Okay, we're taking my tee shot. We're still 220 yards to the flag. Ganun kalayo ang langer.
Kita mo yung bola?
Hindi ko napansin.
Gumagalaw mo. Ganda.
Okay, over.
Nice shot, brother.
Leko.
Yeah.
Kanan. Okay na. Landed right of the green. Yes, Robert. What a beautiful tee shot by Ugi. Hole number 14. They're left with 210 yards siguro to against the wind. Ganda rin. Kanan
Ganda.
daw.
Daan ka mamaya sa bahay.
Oh! Mag-high ako. Okay, taking my second shot. We're left with 30 yards to the flag. Sila Sam, a little bit closer. No green to work with. Downhill pa. Good luck. Ganda. Huwag ka lang mag-boost. Ala, nag-boost eh. Pwede na, brother. Nice shot. Nice shot, nice shot, nice shot. Saan part?
Run, run, run,
Sige pa.
run, run.
Sige.
Naramdaman ko nag-nip yun. Ganda.
Ayop na yan.
Okay, 3 down. 3 down. Nice shot. Nice shot, Sammy. Okay, hole 15. Playing 288 yards from the white tees. Okay, so this is hole 15. We're currently 3 down. So the play is if you can get over that tree in front. So that is where the pin is. And And so that's where the green is. And so perfect if you can fade or cut the golf ball or go over those trees. Okay, so if you're here in Riviera, dito sa Langers sa 15th hole, you can also buy affordable, organic, I'm not sure kung organic, but vegetables. Yeah. Naku, kaliwa. 4! Ayan, okay, perfect.
Si Carlos Cervantes mas mataas eh.
Good shot.
Ganda yata. Ilang nag-fade.
Long umover. Uy!
Yun.
Naku,
Parang sa may linya ng bunker. No?
mukhang 50-50 pa sir.
Nakabangker ka.
Bunker daw, sa may around the green.
Kaso pwede shortcut yan, di ba?
Ganda rin. Baka sumabit. Okay, safe right off the fairway. Okay, taking my tee shot. Sayang hindi nag-fade eh, pero happy na rin. Kaso around the bunker. 37 yards to the flag. Subukan namin yung subukan kong clean shot na lang. They still get a plus here. We need to win all holes to win the match. Sobra. Ayan, may opening tayo brother. Kaso may plus sila dito. Sobra. Ganda brother. Maganda yan. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot brother. Lahat sa amin Ugi. Taking Ugi's second shot. This is to go up and down for their par. Net birdie. Short din. Ay, ganda pala. Wow, nice shot! Okay. We have this spot to outright win the hole. To go 2 down na lang. For bird to. To go 2 down. Parang nagsimula sa kanan eh.
Oh, humangin! May humangin kung ano ni.
Ate. Yun! Okay, hole 16. 525 yards. So, we are already dormied. Dormied lang pala, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Subukan pa. So, last 3 holes, they're up 3. Subok. So, this is a par 5. 525 yards. So, it turns right. Parang nandun yung green behind those trees. So, the key is, with every hole naman, good tee shot. Pero, aim is a little yan, dito sa mga coconut. Uy, kanan, bukang. Ay, kanan din. Kanan din si Doy.
Okay. Shot.
Left yan sa malaking puno na yan sa bush. Okay, we're taking my tee shot. Front of the green, it's still 270 yards. So it's either, yan, you go for it, or the play is ito nandito, mga 200 yards. Very, very strategic yung paglagay ng 2 puno dyan. Lusot mo. Yun, lusot. Okay. Magaling talaga magpalusot si Mr. Raimundo. Okay, lumusot. Ako din. Hitting a 3-wood.
Shot. Okay.
Okay lang ate, buti lang. Okay, so right in front. Dito mas. Sam and Ugi. Mga ilang yards pa kayo, Ugs? 200 plus pa. Blue. Ang layo pala, yun yung flag. This is, may plus ulit sila dito. Ganda rin ang tira ni Sam. Kondisyon si Sam Bunker. Okay, Robert and Sam. That's their 4th shot. May plus. Ako titirang nip ko na 30. 30-35. We're short. Ayan, baka may chance, baka may chance. Okay, we need to hit this close. We're 45 yards to the flag. Left to right. Tirang 30. This is to go up and down for potentially a birdie. Sila up and down for bogey. Pero may plus. Kanan lang. Go! Yun ang sinasabi kong dapat sa pababa umabot.
Go, go.
Short.
Kunti pa.
Short. Oo.
Go.
Nabite ka?
Mana?
Sana. Ay, lakas pa rin. Yun lang, lakas. Malakas lang. Ay, ayoko kasi mag-land dun sa paakit. Ay, went over. Robert and Sam. That is for their 1, 2, 3, 4. For par to? Tama ba? For par. Hirap talaga. Bogey net par sila. Pag na-shoot yan, talo na. Ayan, mas make tayo. Bogey, net par. Gets? Okay, we need to make this birdie putt to tawag mo dito, to extend the match. They're in for bogey, net par. Oh! Malakas lang pa rin. Kulang. Ay, kulang sa firm. Good match. Okay, good match. Day 1. Oh, tapos pa rin. 3 and 2. Okay, good match, brothers. Good round. Thank you, brother.
Ay, thank you. Uy, panalo. Uy, oh my God.
Panalo ko. So, ano na tayo? 2-8. Lifetime. 2-8 na tayo sa overall ranking na. Good round, brother. Good try. Uphill climb talaga yung 5-5. Pero super enjoy. Thank you very much again, Architect Rapadas, for this round. So, yeah, we're just finishing hole 17 and hole 18. Right, the signature hole of Riviera. Okay. Ganda!
All in one.
Ang ganda!
All in one mo na.
Oo nga!
Uy!
Against the wind.
Yung green.
Ganda rin yan.
May chance din, oh.
Ganda yan.
Short.
Short? Saan?
Bunker sa harapan, sir.
Short? Sa harapan?
Meron sa baba ng
Ganda!
Nice.
Wow!
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Yun. Short din.
Nakikita nyo? Hindi ko nakikita. Sa bagay, sa camera ako nakatingin.
Ganda. Go. Katong.
Okay, so that is where we teed off. Sobrang extreme na pababa. So we have this birdie putt. Wala na, birdie putt lang. Wala na pala kami. Tapos na pala yung laban. Birdie nga. Uy, sayang.
Tumalon. Oo.
Ay, bumali na to.
Bumali na doon.
Okay, last hole. 375 yards. Another beautiful hole. Okay, it's playing 375 yards. So the play is to aim for those coconut trees. Yan, sa middle na yan. Kasi it slants to the right. Tapos may malaking water hazard before the green. Ganda, beautiful. Nice shot. Right before the bunker.
Naku, diretso. Okay.
Dun sa may red stick mismo. No?
Hazard tayo, sir.
Okay, so we're taking Doy's tee shot. This is what we're looking at. Layo pa. So there's water hazard. May bangin dyan in front. Yun ako sa right. Kasi ito kami. Layo pa. Almost more than 200 yards.
Okay lang.
Abig.
Big.
Okay, so this is Langer's last hole. Yeah. Nice. So again, I'd like to take this opportunity. If you're still watching this video, thank you very much for watching the video. I would really appreciate it if you guys are already subscribed. If you like mga videos like this, please comment down below. Or if you have any ideas who you want us to challenge also, just let us know. We will try to make that happen. So again, thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Nice shot and see you at the fairways. Okay, safe yung aking tee shot. Second shot. We're left with 36 yards. Left to right. Ganda yan. Pero parang sosobra pa rin.
Stop! Stop! Down na talaga.
Kailangan nagpapabite ka talaga. Ay, sobrang kanan naman. Sam and Oogie for par. No look. Good round, brother. Thank you.
Nice game, brother.
Good round. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Chibog.
Okay, Doy. Ito na yung pakain natin sa kanila. Yay! Thank you ulit, Oogie. Nice shot.